occasionally.
The energy is wild.
It's amazing, and we're always saying this while asking everyone who comes up.
And driving in and seeing all the faces lined up and just excited to, it's just thrilling. I play
Tony, thank you so much.
one of
Please, everyone, give it up
Theo's
for Tony!
colleagues who's very, very ambitious and a real heat seeker. She's the kind of person who tells you how you're doing in your career. You know, like if you are doing well, she'll be the first person to be like, wow, singing your praises. And then if you're doing poorly, she's just like rubbing your face in the dirt and saying, these are all the things you did wrong, and that's why you're down there.
I'm all right.
Tony McNamara, Jay Roach, Olivia Colman, Benedict, Cumberbatch, and then all the rest of the players who are just goats in their own right. That's when I heard that those were the players, I was like, I will pay to be in this movie. It was just such a man. No, it wasn't. It was a dream come true. I think Tony does such an effective job portraying what life in 2025 is like, what being in a relationship is like.
How is it when you're sitting
in modern
across
day,
from amazing actors like Benedict and Olivia,
you know, that no one really knows what they're doing. Everyone's sort of fighting to keep it together, and and love is worth fighting for. I do. I think it's for all couples, and I think it's for single people too. To be like, oh, thank God I'm not in a relationship. But also, you know, I think there are actually many affirming qualities for couples as well.